Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Johnny Silver with an unusual unboxing. Something came in the mail today that I have no idea what it is. Something I didn't order and it came from Monument Metals, so we'll have to see where we're at here. I have no idea, so can't wait to see what they might have sent. Oh, right. Cool. That is a flashlight. Ooh, nice. Black flashlight. Oh, wow. Check out how that thing just shoots that out. That is a serious black light. Huh. Wow. Check that out. Let me turn off some lights here. That's quite the light. Wow. That is a wonderful light. Check that out. That is a very nice black light. That's just amazing. Let's see if we have to turn that on up here real quick. No kind of paperwork or anything like that in there, so thank you very much for the nice black light. That's a heck of a black light. Jeez Louise, that thing is powerful. Set this up here a little bit. See how nice that reflects? It really gets down in there good. I'll show you. Let's see here real quick. Yeah. So I don't know if you guys ever do anything with Olight. I've got some Olight stuff, and I got a black light from them a long time ago. And you can see, I mean, it works. It's a little LED thing. You get right on top of it, though, and it really doesn't shine well. So that's that little Olight one. But this is called Dark Beam. Check that out. That's like super powerful. That is one heck of that is one heck of a black light. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. That's, jeez, please, that's something else. All right, well, there you go. Surprise unboxing. This rune with the black light, very cool. I'm actually gonna, I think, add this. I don't know. I won't add it to the main video, but yeah, no, I've got an exciting video about this coming out really soon. I might put just a real quick. In fact, I'll do that. I'll put a real quick hit of a preview coming up for you guys. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll give you guys a quick hit of a preview. I'm really picky about how I'm shooting this particular thing. I've shot it and reshot it a couple of times. You know, you'll see the thing, and it'll be, my goal is this weekend. So anyways, so thank you very much for Monument Metals. It's very nice of you to send me this ultra cool black light here, this dark beam. Look how it lights that up. Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, so there you go. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to y'all next time. If you please comment, rate, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, share me on social medias. I'd greatly appreciate it. I'll talk to y'all. Bye-bye.